Hello friends. Welcome to Greedy Algorithm Tutorial. This is my human-computer interaction semester project assigned by Professor Dr. Ahsanullah Abro. Let's get started. Greedy Algo follows problem-solving approach of making the locally optimal choice at each stage with the hope of finding a global optimum. So at each stage we select a locally optimal value with the hope of getting to the best possible solution. Let's see few of its pros and cons. This approach is simple, easy to code and implement, and have reasonable running complexity. However, the main drawback for this method is that there are very few cases wherein we end up getting the globally optimal value. So, when are we supposed to use greedy methods? Problems which satisfy the greedy choice property, that means making the best choice at a moment leading to a global optimum. Next property is optimal substructure, problems whose optimal solution can be constructed from optimal solutions of its subproblems. Finally, we look at some applications which uses greedy algorithms. Activity selection problem, Huffman coding. Job sequencing problem, fractional knapsack problem. With this we wrap up this tutorial. Thanks for watching.